Let's continue our discussion with angles in a unit circle. What is a unit circle? It is the circle with the center at the origin and the radius 1. So this is a unit circle. To measure angles, we use degrees, minutes, seconds, and radians. So we will know later on about radians. So we have a figure in here, the unit circle, we have angle theta. And that is equivalent to nag-intercept siya to it intercepted an arc of the unit circle that measures 1 radian, and 1 radian is approximately equal to 57.3 degrees, or that is equal to 180 over pi. So going back to the central angle, a central angle of a circle that measures 1 degree kung nag-intercept siya sa 1 over 360 of the circumference of the circle. 1 minute, or denoted by this 1 and apostrophe, is 1 over 60 of 1 degree, while 1 second is 1 over 60 of 1 minute. So let's have an example. We have the angle 25 degrees, 12 minutes, and 15 seconds. This measurement of an angle is not common sa ato. This is very common when we locate a location. When we want to know the exact location of a certain place, of a certain person, or whatsoever. So if you are planning to be an engineer, geodetic engineer, you'll be an astronomer, you will be needing this knowledge of angles. So we have here 25 degrees plus 12 minutes plus 15 over 60 seconds. So dapat duha ni siya diri. So ang atong buhaton here, we will start in this from right to left ang atong direction sa conversion. No, from right to left. So we will start with 15. Diba naka-seconds pa man siya. Since seconds, we all know that it is 1 over 60 of 1 minute. We just convert 15 minutes to 15 seconds to minutes by dividing it by 60. So, or multiplying it by 1 over 60. So, we have 15 over 60. And the result of 15 over 60 is 0.25. Unya, gi-add yun nato siya. Since si 0.25 is already in minutes, kay gina-convert naman nato siya, we will add this to 12, which is also minutes. So we just combine the same, kung sa algebra pa ni, we just combine the same term. So we just combine the same units, so 12.25 minutes. So after nato siya na-convert to minutes, ang minutes na pod i-convert nato into degree. So we all know that 1 minute is just 1 over 60 of 1 degree. So we multiplied the 12.25 by 1 over 60, so we have here 12.25 over 60 degrees. And that result is equal to 0.204 degrees. So we will just add the result to 25 degrees. So we have the final answer, 25.204 degrees, or if you properly read this 125 and 204 thousandths degrees. So this is how we kani siya, dili siya expansion, pero ato siyang sa tawag na to giisa lang nato siya o unit, which is in degrees only. Okay, for the second example, we have 45 and 237 thousandths degrees. We are going to expand this one into minutes and seconds. So we will start in decimal places. So, paana na po ang ato ang padulong sa conversion, unlike this one na padung ta sa wala, karon padulong ta sa tuo. So, we will just disregard, we will just rewrite 45 degrees, and then here, 0.37 times 60. So, i-convert nato siya into minutes, and the result is 14.22 minutes. So, we will just write or separate 14 from the decimal places, no? So 14 minutes na ni siya. And kaning 0.22 ato na po ni siyang i-simplify into seconds. So by multiplying again with 60. So the result is 13.2 seconds. If you want to expand more, what is next to seconds? Milliseconds? Centiseconds? So we will just stop at seconds. So this is now the expansion of 45 and 237 thousandths degrees. That's equal to 45 degrees for 10 minutes and 13.2 seconds.